States of India. First, Andhra Pradesh. Capital Amravati. Official language Telugu. Second, Arunachal Pradesh. Capital Itanagar. Official language English. Third, Assam. Capital Dispur. Official language Assamese. Additional official languages Bengali and Bodo. Fourth, Bihar. Capital Patna. Official language Hindi. Additional official language Urdu. Fifth, Chhattisgarh. Capital Naya Raipur. Official language Hindi. Sixth, Goa. Capital Panaji. Official language Konkani. Additional official language Marathi. Seventh, Gujarat. Capital Gandhinagar. Official language Gujarati. Eighth, Haryana. Capital Chandigarh. Official language Hindi. Additional official language Punjabi. Ninth, Himachal Pradesh. Capital Shimla. Summer. Dharamshala. Winter. Official language Hindi. Additional official language Sanskrit. 10th, Jharkhand. Capital Ranchi. Official language Hindi. Additional official languages Santhali and Urdu. 11th, Karnataka. Capital Bangalore. Official language Kannada. 12th, Kerala. Capital Thiruvananthapuram. Official language Malayalam. 13th, Madhya Pradesh. Capital Bhopal. Official language Hindi. 14th, Maharashtra. Capital Mumbai. Summer and Nagpur. Winter. Official language Marathi. 15th, Manipur. Capital Imphal. Official language Metti. Additional official language English. 16th, Meghalaya. Capital Shillong. Official language English. Additional official language Khasi. 17th, Mizoram. Capital Aizawl. Official language English, Hindi and Mizo. 18th, Nagaland. Capital Kohima. Official language English. 19th, Odisha. Capital Bhubaneswar. Official language Odia. 20th, Punjab. Capital Chandigarh. Official language Punjabi. 21. Rajasthan. Capital Jaipur. Official language Hindi. Additional official language English. 22. Sikkim. Capital Gangtok. Official language English and Nepali. Additional official languages Bhutia, Gurung, Lipcha, Limbu, Mangar, Mukhia, Newari, Rai, Sherpa and Tamang. 23. Tamil Nadu. Capital Chennai. Official language Tamil. Additional official language English. 24. Telangana. Capital Hyderabad. Official language Telugu. Additional official language Urdu. 25. Tripura. Capital Agartala. Official language Bengali, English and Kokborak. 26. Uttar Pradesh. Capital Lucknow. Official language Hindi. Additional official language Urdu. 27. Uttarakhand. Capital Gir. Summer. Dehradun. Winter. Official language Hindi. Additional official language Sanskrit. 28. West Bengal. Capital Kolkata. Official language Bengali and Nepali. Additional official language Jis, Hindi, Odia, Punjabi, Santhali and Urdu. Union Territories of India. First, Andaman and Nicobar Island. Capital Port Blair. Official languages English and Hindi. Additional official languages Bengali, Malayalam, Tamil and Telugu. Second, Chandigarh. Capital Chandigarh. Official languages English, Hindi and Punjabi. Third, Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. Capital Daman. Official languages English, Gujarati and Hindi. Additional official languages Konkani and Marathi. Fourth, Delhi. Capital New Delhi. Official languages English and Hindi. Additional official languages Punjabi and Urdu. Fifth, Jammu and Kashmir. Capital Srinagar. Summer and Jammu winter. Official languages English, Hindi and Urdu. Additional official languages Dogri and Kashmiri. Sixth, Ladakh. Capital Leh. Summer and Kargil winter. Official language English, Ladakhi and Urdu. Additional official languages Balti and Purgi. Seventh, Lakshadweep. Capital Kavrati. Official language English and Malayalam. Eighth, Pondicherry. Capital Pondicherry. Official language English and Tamil. Additional official languages Malayalam and Telugu.